Welcome to this episode of Tales from the Nature Center. One of the things that people notice while out observing wildlife on Belle Isle is the amount of trash that's visible along the roads, trails, and even in the water. Not only does this litter bother us as humans, it can cause problems for wildlife. The ospreys nesting near the athletic fields have included plastic into their nest, and this non-biodegradable material can harm the young if they get entangled in it. Birds and fish can be harmed by litter along the water as they attempt to consume it. Even small pieces of fishing line left behind can cause major harm when it gets wrapped around a foot, wing, neck, or bill. Luckily, there are several ways to help combat the trash. One of those is the participatory science project, Adopt a Beach. Like all participatory science projects, it relies upon non-professional scientists to conduct research, collect data, and otherwise contribute to a broader project. This project includes simple training, and then volunteer scientists head out and collect all the litter they can find. All of it gets sorted, weighed, and measured, and helps scientists across the Great Lakes better understand the types and source of our trash. We can all do our part by packing out our own trash, depositing trash and recycling in the appropriate containers, and by participating in projects like Adopt a Beach. Let's keep Belle Isle beautiful for all of the visitors, human and non-human. Thank you for joining us for this special series, Tales from the Nature Center. We hope to see you out at Belle Isle soon.